Hello and welcome everyone. So in the previous video we saw how to create server. Okay, so we have already seen it in our different videos. Like I have created a video like how to create server in Node.js and Express. So you can check out that. But I have now we will create these APIs like sign in and sign up API using Express, Node.js and Mongoose. So we have already created server, and in today's video we will see how to connect to the MongoDB database. Okay, so first of all, what we will do is we will not connect to the local MongoDB database, but there is one more way in which we can connect. So I will use MongoDB Atlas to connect to the MongoDB database. So it is free, so we can use it. So I'm comfortable with that, so I will go with that. So let us just see how to connect to that. So I will go in Chrome and I will say MongoDB Atlas. Okay, you can see that Atlas is coming. So I will go here. This is first link, that is MongoDB Atlas database. Choose that. Okay, I have already signed in, so I will go here, or you can sign in using try for free. I'm already signed in, so I will click this. Let us just wait. Okay, I will log in using Google. So just say Google, and then it will ask for email which you want to use to sign up. Okay, or I mean sign in. So just click that. I will pause myself here and I will sign in using Google, and I will use my Gmail to sign in. Okay, you can put yours. I cannot show you here. So I will pause here. So now you can see that I have already inside this MongoDB Atlas. I have signed in. Okay, so first of all, what we'll do is create a new project. So over here in this section, come here, check, and here you can see the option new project. So click on that, and let's wait. Okay, so now you have to give the name of your project, and the name of the project has to be unique. So I will say REST API. Okay, this is enough for right now, and uh, just leave everything like this only. So then say next, and uh, also keep this like that only. So here this is my name of the project. I mean, I'm the owner of this, right? So this will come, and now say create project. Now you can see this in interface is come, like we have to create a cluster, right? So I will say create. Okay, this will create cluster for us. So this is paid and we don't want this, so there is a free thing that we can use. So we will go with the free. This provides us 512 MB for free, so we can use this. Now scroll down, and we can use this provider. We will click provider as AWS, and the region will be Mumbai. So our server will be set up in Mumbai. You can also use some other you wish, but I prefer going with this because this was the thing that was taught to us, so I am going with this. Okay, now after clicking on this, we will create deployment. So check, click on this. Let us just wait. Okay, so now this interface will become, and you can see the username is my is given, and this password is very important. So for now I will just copy this. Okay, copy and keep it safe. So I will just copy this and I will paste it in the .env file. I will just say for now I will just say password is equal to and I will paste that. Okay, so just keeping it safe over here. Then I will go here and I will say create database user. So this is what we are doing, right? We are creating a database for us, and this, make sure you keep this properly. Okay, we will require this in future. Like okay, so now uh, Now this will become, then we have to choose the connection method. Click on this and I will go and I will say drivers. Okay, I will click on this. So driver is Node.js and the version is given over here. So I will scroll down and I will say next. I will say done. Okay, wait. I will say drivers and I will say done. Okay, so now it will take a little bit of time to create cluster for us. Okay, it is creating clus- cluster for us. Okay, so now we have to connect to the database, right? So we will go in Visual Studio, and for now what I will create, we have to configure our database with our project. So I will make one more folder inside src folder. Okay, we have already created config file. So I will go inside the config file and I will create one file that is, so I will create dbconfig. Okay, db and config.js. Okay, what happened over here? Config.js, and I will say enter. So now we have to connect to our database. So I will create a async function. I will say export cons. There is some problem. Export cons async function connect to db, connect to db. It is a async function. Okay, here not cons but default. I will say default. For default async function connect to the database. So I will add try catch in this. So if any error occurs while connecting to the database, then it will be logged over here. So I will say log and I will say error in connecting to database, and I will log error over here. Okay, so it's already now I will say, okay, first of all we have to uh, import mongoose from mongoose. Okay, so MongoDB database is a non-relational type of database. It is no non-SQL type of database. It stores data in the form of JSON type of format. And Mongoose is like a library. It is a MongoDB library, so it is used to connect to the MongoDB. Okay, so now we will say await mongoose dot connect. So we are connecting, right? So I'll say mongoose dot connect, and then I will here we have to pass our URL. So now we will go back to our MongoDB Atlas just to check. Okay, so here we can see that cluster is already created. We can see. So now what we have to do is get connecting string. This is the same string that we have to pass over here for us to connect to the database. So I will say get the connection string. Okay, so now here you can see we are being provided with the string. Just copy this. Okay, and I will go in .env. We have to keep this secret, so I will put this here. So for now you can see this, but once the project is over I will remove this, so please don't copy this URL. Okay, it won't work. So I will say db URL. Okay, db underscore URL is equal to, I will paste it over. Wait, two parts it in double quotes. So here is the URL. Now you can see here db password. So this is the same password. This is the password which we need to pass over here. So I will copy this. Okay, and I will paste it over here. That's why I told you to keep it properly. So I will remove this. I don't want this now. Okay, now I will go to the server config file and I will say export const. So I will say export. Okay, wait. Okay, export const, and whatever you have given here, I will just copy this DB URL. I don't want to make any spelling mistakes. It will create problem later on. So I will just say DB URL is equal to process, say process.env dot db URL. So I will import it over here. Import db URL. So this db URL I will put over here. Okay, db URL. Okay, so I will say I will log. We should know, right, whether we are connected or not. So I will say successfully connected to db. db. Okay, I will format this. Okay, now what we have to do is like I have to export this, already exporting it. I have to import this in index.js. So I will say import connect db connection connect to the db. Okay, and I will once our server is turn on, I want this to execute. Okay, I want to connect to the database, so I will execute that function over here. Connect to db. So this is the function, so I'm calling this function over here. So let us just see, server is already on. So we got some errors over here. So let us just see what is the error. So db config file is problem in db config file. Okay, so I have not given here .js. Now let us just see. Okay, so we are successfully connected to the database. So one optimization thing that we have to do is in the Atlas, go to the network access part. Okay, and here choose add IP address. Okay, so here allow access from anywhere. If you don't allow this, so then there is a problem in connecting to the database. Okay, so I will say allow access from everywhere. This is the optimization thing that you have to do so that you can connect to it from anywhere. Okay, so now you can see that this extra thing is added over here. Let us just wait, it is like pending, it will take a little bit of time. Okay, now it is active. Okay, this is the most important thing which you have to do, otherwise in future while connecting to the database you will get some random errors. Now we have connected to the database and we have even created our server and we have connected to the database. In upcoming videos we will see how to create schemas and model. So this is all for today, guys. So let's meet up in the next video. Till then, be motivated, stay motivated, and keep coding. Thanks for watching.